Dearest Sushant, can we just pretend you're still alive? That you're still here amongst us reading this letter? When I started watching Dil Bechara, all I wanted was to watch your movie, just like any other movie. How wrong was I? Ever since you came on screen, the difference between real life and real life just vanished. From then onwards, it was only you. You lit up every frame, reminding us again and again of what we were going to miss. Manny was completely you. Not just Kizzy Basu, but every one of us will miss you. Just as Manny said, can we just pretend that you're still here? As you read this, I can see that lovely smile of yours blooming on your face. The very smile that lit up the movie screens for the first time in Kai Poche. We all fell in love instantly, not just with Ishan, but with you. Your intense screen presence, your confidence, your likability. Out of the blue, you gate crashed into our hearts and charmed us into loving you more and more. When you played MS Dhoni on screen, we couldn't take our eyes off you, trust me. Dhoni won us the World Cup through that helicopter shot, but you shot straight into our hearts, winning our hearts once and forever. But now I realize how we all failed you. We loved you, but we never understood you. All we knew was your ever-smiling face, but we failed to recognize the helpless young soul within you. While you charmed us all the way and lit up our lives, we failed to understand that deep within you were longing for light. Deep within you were longing for a life. Deep within you were longing for a shoulder to lean on. You were a good actor. You were a good human being. You will always be in our hearts. But it's just that you were destined for much more. The fault is not in your stars. The fault is in us. For not trying to understand you, for not listening to your inner wailings, for not seeing through your infectious smile. Yes, the fault was in us. But we now know how easily we could be blindfolded, how we fail to recognize the vulnerabilities within. After all, we're just human beings, weak and sensitive. We crave for light, but it's mostly darkness around. It isn't just the smiles, it isn't roses all the way. Life is hard. It's always been so, and all we need is a shoulder to lean on. Fame or money isn't enough, and when we aren't understood, when our cries fall on deaf ears, we need each other. We need the warmth of relationships, because that's all we have at the end of the day. Thank you, Sushant, for everything, and above all, for leaving this message. We miss you. Some things are not meant to last, no matter how much we wish they were. Can we just pretend you're still alive? That you're still here amongst us?